Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This gorgeous 3-floor house with 8 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms sits on approximately half acre of well-landscaped land and is located on West Road in Mandeville. The main level of the house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen and laundry rooms. It also has a double garage on that level. The second level is a complete flat with 2 bedrooms, plus there is also a single garage on that level. The first level is a 2-bedroom flat. This level has parking to the front of the house. One of the amazing features of this house is its awesome view and its resort vacation ambiance. The house is also equipped with cameras right around. There is also that spot on the property to construct a swimming pool if you so desire. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 72 million or US $467.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.